I just saw that now there's a whole bunch of bacon being recalled. Uh, in the last year, I have seen so many things recalled. All the stuff that we're putting in our body and everyone getting sick. And I just, I thought, I'm like, the FDA is an absolute joke. It's as big a joke as the World Health Organization. Like that's obviously these companies do not respect them, don't care what they have to say because they're all cutting corners, they're all contaminating all this stuff that we put in our bodies. And why? To make more money. So why doesn't the FDA do something about this? And you could be like, they're recalling it. Well, after everybody gets sick, that's not the time for the FDA to step in. They should be there doing inspections and holding them to higher accountability. So that makes me think, how much is the FDA getting paid by all these companies to allow all this crap to go out for them to make a whole bunch of money and hope they don't get caught? And then if they do, oh, I guess we gotta recall it. Our bad. That we're not gonna in 10 years if this continues, you're not gonna be able to put anything in your body. There's not gonna be any food that's safe. There's not gonna be any drugs that's safe because everything is gonna be made so terribly and cheaply to make as much money as possible. you Everything's gonna be contaminated. Everything. Like, unless you have a farm. And even then, depending on what pesticides you use for your farm, or what manure you use, or what you feed your animal, like, it's all so much about making money that the organizations that are supposed to protect the American people and, well, with the World Health Organization, supposed to help protect the world's health. They're an absolute joke. They're getting paid off constantly. And I think this is the tip of the iceberg, and it's going to get much worse before it gets better because these companies have control. They're making so much money that they can control these organizations and administrations and everything else that are supposed to protect the American people and the people of the world. And they fail time and time again, yet, it happens.